Crafting an extraordinary self-promotion piece to impress potential photography clients. In the competitive world of photography, it's crucial to find innovative ways to stand out and make a lasting impression on potential clients. One effective strategy is to create an extraordinary self-promotion piece that not only showcases your skills but also captures the attention and imagination of your target audience. By incorporating creativity, unique packaging, interactive elements, collaborations, and personalized touches, you can craft a self-promotion piece that leaves a lasting impact and sets you apart from the competition. Embrace creativity. To craft a truly remarkable self-promotion piece, one must fully immerse themselves in the realm of creativity and innovation. Think beyond the ordinary and explore uncharted territories in the realm of self-promotion. Consider pushing the boundaries by creating a personalized magazine that encapsulates your unique voice and vision. Alternatively, venture into the realm of custom-designed photo books, where each page serves as a canvas for your creativity to unfold. Unique packaging. Packaging is not just a means of enclosing a product. It is a powerful tool that can captivate the recipient's attention and create a sense of anticipation. When it comes to your photography business, the packaging you choose can speak volumes about your brand identity. Custom boxes, ribbons, and unique textures are all elements that can elevate your packaging from ordinary to extraordinary. By investing in thoughtful and visually striking packaging, you not only enhance the unboxing experience for your customers, but also leave a lasting impression. Interactive elements. Engaging your potential photography clients through interactive elements is a powerful way to leave a lasting impression. Integrating augmented reality features can elevate the viewing experience by bringing your captivating images to life. Additionally, adding thoughtful touches like hidden messages or puzzles within your promotional materials can spark curiosity and engagement, encouraging recipients to spend more time immersing themselves in your work. Collaborations. Collaborating with other creative professionals in the field of photography can significantly elevate the impact of your self-promotion endeavors. By joining forces with fellow photographers, graphic designers, illustrators, or writers, you open up a world of possibilities to infuse your work with a fresh and distinctive perspective. Partnering with graphic designers can bring a sophisticated visual appeal to your photography portfolio, enhancing the overall aesthetic and ensuring a cohesive look and feel across all your promotional materials. Incorporating the expertise of illustrators can introduce a whimsical or artistic flair to your work, adding layers of creativity and storytelling to your images. Beyond the creative synergies that collaborations offer, working with other professionals also presents valuable networking opportunities. Personalized touches. Tailoring your self-promotion piece to each recipient can truly elevate your chances of making a lasting impression. By investing time in researching your potential photography clients, you demonstrate a level of care and attention to detail that can set you apart from the competition. Personalizing your approach by including elements that resonate with their specific interests and preferences not only shows that you understand their needs, but also helps to establish a meaningful connection. One effective strategy is to curate a selection of images that are tailored to their industry or reflect the style that they typically look for in photography. This demonstrates that you have taken the time to understand their aesthetic preferences and can deliver work that aligns with their vision. Additionally, including a handwritten note can add a personal touch that shows sincerity and thoughtfulness. Incorporating their name into the design of your self-promotion piece can create a sense of exclusivity and make the recipient feel valued. This small gesture can go a long way in making them feel special and appreciated, increasing the likelihood that they will remember you when they are in need of photography services. Personalizing your self-promotion efforts demonstrates a commitment to building genuine relationships with your clients and can significantly impact the success of your photography business. By going the extra mile to tailor your approach to each recipient, you not only showcase your professionalism and attention to detail, but also increase the chances of turning potential clients into loyal customers. Crafting an extraordinary self-promotion piece for potential photography clients is a powerful strategy to differentiate yourself from the competition and leave a lasting impression. By embracing creativity, incorporating unique packaging, interactive elements, collaborations, and personalized touches, you can create a remarkable self-promotion piece that captivates your audience and generates conversations that lead to new opportunities. remember to think outside the box, expect the unexpected, and unleash your creativity to create a self-promotion piece that will make potential clients in awe of your talent and passion for photography.